Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French from an aftermarket radio Kenwood device. So first, make sure your vehicle is powered on, which this currently is, and your device is fully powered. And then from here, you can access your settings options from here. So here, and then setup, and then this user interface, and then here in language, just select that, and you can toggle between I think it thinks I'm trying to scroll. There we go. Between English, Spanish, or French. So now I have it on Spanish, and as you can see, it automatically updated. So, and then let's say, obviously I speak English, so I'm gonna switch it back to English. So do my menu options again, this configuration, and then this interface, and then this idioma, we will change back to English. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.